what you need: new side markers, a flathead screwdriver, and a paper towel. Carefully pry the rear end of the side marker forward and out. Use a paper towel to protect it from scraping. Here we can see the light assembly. It is kept in place by a twist lock. Twist the assembly counterclockwise to loosen, then remove. Here we can see the locking section inside the side marker. Notice one locking groove is slightly larger than the other two. This is how the light assembly should look after the housing is removed. Notice the 3 locking nodules on the perimeter of the assembly. Also notice that the top nodule is slightly larger than the other 2. Replace the light assembly matching the locking nodules. Press and twist clockwise until locking is secure. It will click into place. To replace the side marker, hinge the rear portion first. Make sure the power cable is tucked inside. Lastly, push firmly on the forward portion of the housing until it snaps into place. Congratulations! You are done.